What's the meaning of curmudgeonly? Curmudgeonly. Curmudgeonly.
Curmudgeonly. Curmudgeonly. Curmudgeonly is an adjective used to describe someone who is ill-tempered, disagreeable, and often complains about things. A curmudgeon is someone who is difficult to please and can be quite stubborn and irritable. They tend to be critical of others and may have a negative outlook on life. Being curmudgeonly can cause others to feel uncomfortable around the person, as they may be prone to arguing or being confrontational. It's important to approach curmudgeonly individuals with patience and understanding, in order to create more positive interactions.